Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So I usually post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. And so I always will, every once in a while, throw in another video, especially during the holiday seasons during the week. So hit that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. All right, so these are the cutest little snowmen, and these are gift card holders. Don't we all need those? We're getting closer to the holidays, and we always need a gift card holder. This is not my original idea, although I think that the gift card part of it is. I did see this on Pinterest with the little snowman with the earmuffs. I didn't go to their page because I just loved that he was so cute, and the first thing that came to my mind was a gift card holder. I just thank whoever designed this because it was super cute and I really wanted to share it with you. But here is the gift card in the front here. I didn't see a gift card on there, so I don't know. I think it was a regular card, but I thought it was super cute. All right, so we are going to make this. It's going to be really easy because all you pretty much need are your layering ovals, and the stamp sets that I'm using for this is the Itty Bitty Christmas, which says Christmas Cheer, which you can just use this one, or you can do the For You, and I use that from the So Sentimental, or any For You that you have. I thought it was really cute to add the For You to that, so that's what I'm doing with this. The designer series paper I'm using is the Snowflake Wonder. This one right here, I love it, and I'm using this because I'm using Highland Heather on this one. So that is the one that we're using. So let me move this out of the way and I'll tell you exactly what you need here. So you need a piece that is 10.5 by 3. By the way, these are all my own measurements. I don't know what the other one was. If you want to make it wider, just make it wider. You can make it the same length and just make it wider. And then I'm using Highland Heather, so I'm using scrap. This is for his earmuffs and the little part of the top part of his earmuffs. You'll need some pumpkin pie for his nose, some basic black, and a couple punches for his eyes and his buttons. And for the sentiment, this piece is 3/4 by 2 1/4, and then I'm going to cut another piece out, and I'll show you how I do that when we get there. And then the Snowflake Wonder, you are going to need, I didn't write the size of these, but you are going to need these are 1/2 inch, and one is 1/2 inch by 1.5, and I think this is 1/2 inch by 2, yes. And then this one's 1/2 inch by 3. So I'll put that all in the video so you know what we're doing here. And that's for the scarf. All right, so first thing we're going to do is bring up the cut and emboss because we have to make the snowman's head. And this is how I'm doing it. I need to turn this around a minute. I got to get the handle on my side. And I did get some new plates. I just got them in. I need to switch them out. These are really, really getting bad. So the layering circles that I'm using, I'm going to give you the sizes of these because I always get that question later if you don't have the Stampin' Up ones. And this one's 3 by 3, this circle. And then this one is 2.5 round. And then we're also using this little scalloped one for the pom-poms, which we're going to cut all that stuff out right now. So what we're going to do here is we're going to lay this on top here and just bring it right up to the top. Now you're not going to cut it all. You are going to slide this inside. And you are going to do it about halfway. And then we're just going to run it through. So it's only going to cut this top part. Okay. All right, so you are going to have to get your little snips and just clip the end here off. And then there's his little head. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to run this through, and we're going to just put these two inside each other. This is going to be for the band that goes across for his earmuffs. And then we're going to use this one as well, and we need to cut out 2 of these. And we're actually going to use the inside circle part. So you're going to have this and you're going to have this, and we're going to use this actually to back the sentiment. So we're going to hang on to that, and then we have one of our little earmuffs here, and we just need to run it through for the other one. Okay, so there's our other one. We can move this all out of the way. So for his hat, his little band for his hat, you're just going to cut this in half. And you have another piece for another one right here if you want to make a second one. And then these are for his earmuffs. And then this one, I'm going to grab my trimmer and I'm going to just cut this piece at 1 inch. So I'm not wasting this paper here. And we're going to use that for the back of our sentiment. All right, so we have all our pieces ready to go. Now let's go ahead and get him put together. All right, so we are first going to glue on our little top of our earmuff here. I'm just going to use wet glue for all of this. And you're just going to put that on the top there. Just make sure it's all the way on the top edge. And then we're going to put his little earmuffs on. Just put it on this side. Oops, I moved my little piece there. And then you're going to put his earmuff here. And then you're going to do his other one. I love this thing. It's so cute, the little earmuff thing. That was such a brilliant idea. So, all right, so then what we're going to do is we are going to cut his nose out. And I just cut it out of just by hand. So you can do this really easily by just cutting a little wedge. So that's going to be his nose. And then we're going to use our little, I'm just using a regular hole punch for this. And these are for his 2 little eyes. And then I'm using our 1/2 inch and I'm going to punch out 3 buttons. And then again, I'm going to use wet glue. So we're going to put his 2 little eyes on. This is a great time to use your take your pick tool. I like his eyes close together. I think they really look cute. And then we're going to just glue his nose down. And we do need to score this because we can't put his buttons on. So we are going to score this at 3 1/4. And we could have done that first, but I didn't think about that. So I'm going to just score this at 3 1/4. And we're going to sharpen this. And then I'm just going to run a little tiny thin glue line all the way down each side. Because you want it to be narrow. Because you want to fit your card in here. So run it really close to the edge. And now we can put our buttons on. So I'm going to put our 3 little buttons. And then we need to stamp our sentiment. So I'm going to use Memento Black. And I think I'll do the For You first. So I know I have enough room. And then the Christmas cheer. And then we are going to, let's see, use some wet glue here and we'll attach it to this little piece here. And we need to do his scarf. So this one I did use a couple dimensionals. So I'm just going to cut the ends off here. Never waste your ends. They work just as good as the rest of it. So always use your ends too. And I'm putting it right between those two buttons down there. And then let's just do a scarf. We could have done a scarf first, but it doesn't really matter which way you do it. So we're going to put that right up there at the top. And we're going to keep these pieces closer to the outside so it doesn't get in the way of putting in your... And I'm just making little cuts so there's like a little fringe, and then I'm just going to fluff those up. Do the same on this little piece. And I usually like to make them look like they're there, and then we're going to put this on. So we're just going to put it more towards the side. Isn't he cute? And there's Highland Heather. And then just put your other piece on top. Just like that. And I do clip this little end because I don't like that it hangs over. Alright, so there you have it. Isn't it cute? They're so, so cute. So whoever's idea that was, thank you so much. I thought they were adorable. So here are all three. And I thought they turned out really cute. I hope you liked them, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. That is the December hostess code. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.